guys, welcome back to another vlog. I think this is gonna be a Saturday in the life vlog. If not, I love telling you guys this just in case I extend it. Just know I felt like the vlog just wasn't enough for you guys. So we currently just got, oh, this is perfect, we just got to a farmer's market. I seen this place all over TikTok, people rave about it, and they actually close at 7 p.m. and majority of farmers markets they're closed by like noon. So this one is a little different. I think it's called like a local market, maybe. They have fresh produce, just all that good stuff. I don't know whether we're gonna get anything, but it's nice for us to just, you know, kind of walk around and see what they have. Honestly, I think that we're gonna end up getting something, to be honest. How did you feel about the market?
Yeah, it was good. The market is, I mean, I love it. Something that I've been looking for in a long time.
So I liked it a lot. I will say this, if you're looking to get your produce at a new, like, I'll say grocery store, but the market, their produce is a little bit more expensive. I think we got one pineapple for $3. I don't know, I can't remember whether pineapple is $3 at like you know, like Costco or Walmart or Kroger, but I know they had a box filled of mangoes for $8, and I thought that was a good deal. 10 out of 10 would recommend that market. That's gonna be my store when we come all the way out here, because this place is a little bit not far from us, but it's not in the area that we live at. So we just got to Crate and Barrel, and we want to look at a few things here. For me, I'm here for like the bowls, because I realize we are in need of like just nice bowls. I forgot how nice Crate and Barrel is, y'all. I haven't shopped in Crate and Barrel since Indianapolis. Like really came here and actually looked at things and like kind of see what we need. And they have really nice glasses over here too. Look at this one. This is giving pour me a red wine. It's very nice, but the problem is they are so thin, so you really have to be careful with this. I think this is for red wine, and then this right here is for white wine. I haven't drank wine in so long. I lost my husband. Where is he? Oh, there he is. I'm like, where's my husband? Babe, I was like, where's my husband? Oh, there he is. Where did you go?
I was looking at that table, the chair.
Ah, okay. So I think we're in the sale. I can't find the bowls. Maybe down there, yeah. This is really, really nice. It's like a really nice fruit bowl. Better than the one I actually have, but I'm not gonna get this because I already have one, but this is really, really nice. Guys, I found the bowl. This is the bowl. It's really, really pretty. This is a nice flat bowl as well. What about this one, babe? This one seems a little smaller. Yeah, I like the look of this one too. Guys, it is a few days later. You know, classic of me. I figured, you know what, I might as well kind of extend this vlog, although I honestly wanted it to be a Saturday in the life vlog. I figured let me just go ahead and add today's vlog in this vlog as well, because I feel like you guys will enjoy today. But I am currently getting ready to go to an event. Let me pull it up, because y'all, these events be coming back to back sometimes ever since moving to Houston, and that's one thing I'm super grateful for. Houston compared to Indiana, there's just so much more events and things to do for influencers, So I truly enjoy that because not only is this my job, I love stepping out and networking with like-minded people like myself and, you know, just kind of meeting new creators. So let me go ahead and pull up today's event. I'm super excited about this event, by the way. It is by First Line Brand. Also, I'll be meeting up with my homegirl, Charlie. She is my girl. We always go to these events together, so we're not alone. So like if she gets invited to something that I personally did not get invited to and she's able to bring a +1, I am always her +1. Same with me. So today she's gonna be my +1. You know, it's nice to bring somebody that you know what I'm saying? Although I'm fine with just going by myself, I've kind of gotten used to it. I personally prefer to go with somebody so then we can like talk and mingle and also meet other people and stuff like that. Okay, so today's event is by First Line Brands. It's a Black-owned and Black woman-led business based in Houston, Texas, with 39 years of experience and committed to embracing and accommodating the often overlooked hair care needs. So apparently we're gonna have Latoya. You guys know Latoya Luckett. She's gonna be there speaking on a panel, which is super exciting. Hopefully I get to meet her like personally, you know, one-on-one, get to meet her because I am a huge fan of her actually. But yeah, girl, there's gonna be food, mingling. But girl, I'm just currently finishing up, getting ready. Obviously, I'm curling my hair. I don't know where this unit is from. I have on these really nice like satin pants that I got from Zara. I have not worn them yet because first of all, they're extremely long, so I have to pull them up and roll them up. It matches really well with this headscarf, and then I'm also wearing just this simple basic white top that I got from Nordstrom Rack. And then for shoes, I'm gonna do these black kitten heels that I got from Aldo. For a bag, I'm gonna do this little bag that I got from Amazon as well. It's just like a nice little black mini bag. Lately, I've been just not really caring to put on lash extensions. And there's nothing wrong with that, you know. I do have short curly lashes, but I just have been loving the no lash extensions look. I think it's just so pretty.
It behooves you to pursue it. So I think to continue and just keep fighting through the challenges, know that God has you and know that He's going to make a way for your gift.
But I found a way to be okay with not being led by fear or not staying there. A lot of us, when it's time to pivot, when it's time to move on to something even we're not ready, we gotta stay and we gotta wallow for a little bit. You know what I mean? We gotta get the extra hug. Why we just have a lot long and we stay there so long that we miss the next bus that God can send, the next opportunity. You know what I mean? I think I've learned to come out of the situation, eyes open and chin up, and saying, okay, God, if you took that away, then I know you got something else better for me, or you got something else that's more fitting for, my path. You know what I mean? Even if it takes a little longer to get to where I'm, to reach that goal, I always allow God to be in control.
So Joni, with you know, adding to that, the balance, the adversity, because we're here celebrating, we look good, everything looks great, all the pictures are amazing, video is great. However, running a multi-million-dollar company, being a lady who has to make the decisions, go in there and have the difficult conversations, and then be a mom and a wife and a friend and happy, like, you know, how do you harmonize that in your world?
So I love your analogy about just everything coming together in the village. And it's true because I really couldn't look at this if I didn't have a supportive husband who understood the assignment. I mean, he has also a very demanding career, but together we make it work. And it just happens. And then thankfully we have kids that are very independent and who are growing, they're growing up in this, you know, spirit that is something you're going to have to figure out because we are going so many different directions all the time. But what the season I'm in right now, because my kids are older, 17, 15, 12, the season I'm in right now, because my oldest is going to get going to college in a year and a half, my middle one in a couple of years, I am in a space where I am really about collecting moments. And so I'm trying to embrace, I never could do meditation, which a lot of people kind of lean on for just, you know, peace and harmony and balance. I'm not a meditator. I tried it. I've been thinking about everything. Did somebody feed the dog?
It is the next day. I just got done getting ready, so I want to put on my scent for the day. I'm actually going to do Kaylee Sweet Diamond Pepper and Kaylee Invite Only. I have so many other fragrances, but I always gravitate towards Kaylee. She's just that girl. And this is like my go-to every time. Every time I wear this combo, I always get compliments. So later on today, linking up with my homegirl Charlie and her fiance. First of all, let's talk about making friends and making friends with girls who have a man, and your man and her man finally link up together and they get along. Do you know the feeling? That is the best feeling ever, you guys. Like, I love when my friends, all of my friends and their man and my man get along, because it just makes it easier, you know, like, oh baby, you want to do a double with Charlie and her man? Yeah, sure, why not? Like, and they get along, they're able to talk. Oh my gosh, it's the best feeling ever. So really happy that my man and her man get along really well. So we're doing a double today, and we are going to do, she actually picked the activity today, but we're gonna go to the park. There's a live jazz music going on today. I'm not sure which park, but once I find out, I'm gonna put it in the description box. I don't know whether they do live music every single week. I really don't know. My girl, she just be knowing what's going on in Houston, so I'm very excited because I love jazz music. I have a few PR boxes and I'm just like, should I unbox them with you guys since I'm here before we head on out? Okay, this is a big box. This is from Makeup Forever. Cute. This is Makeup Forever's new moisturizing skin tint. Now, y'all already know brands are gonna be coming out with a lot of skin tint right now, especially with the season changing. We're headed into spring and summer, and that's when brands want to push more skin tints. These are the two shades that they sent over. 13 and they sent over 14. 13 and 14. So I might end up being 13. Okay, so what other brand sent me something? Ooh, this is from The Outset, and it is a skincare brand. Love the packaging. Okay, so they sent over a gentle antioxidant cleanser. This looks so interesting. It's like a gel form. I have never seen a cleanser like this. They also sent over their prep serum and their moisturizer. Ooh, I love the texture. When you have a damaged skin barrier, the trick is stop with all the products you're using. Stop with any actives, any benzoyl peroxide, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, any actives, put them on the side. When your skin barrier is damaged, you want to keep your skincare routine very minimum. I'm talking about 3 products maximum, even 2. Even 2. You can just go with your cleanser and a barrier cream repair. That's it. So that is the where I'm at right now. My skincare routine is not crazy. I've taken a break so we can get that barrier back to what I want it to be. Next up, we have Murad, but this is their hydration. It's giving glass skin. Yes, I love me some Murad. Murad, I feel like when I used to get a lot of facials done, I used to get like at least back in the day. I'm talking about when I started social media kind of thing. I used to get facials every 2 weeks, if that, so twice a month. And I used to go to, I forgot the company, but they used to only use Murad. And they're the reason why they got me using Murad. They introduced me to Murad, and I loved their skincare products ever since. Because of my skin type, I usually love using their orange line. This one is perfect for targeting dark spots, acne scars. The orange line. Their purple line is really good for hydration. This is really good if you have dry skin. They sent over their AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser and then their repair cream. Just talking about Huda Beauty today. She sent over a package. Huda Beauty, love the pink. What's going on with pink lately? Like, come on, give me all the pink. Oh girl, this model's face is eaten. That is flawless. Okay, this is their blush crush. Okay, girl, keep sending me makeup bags. Please do. Please do. And keep sending me these mirrors. Yeah, it's a mirror. Like, she's been doing so well with the PR packages. Every PR package has a mirror. That is so good because when I be packing up my makeup to travel, I always need a mirror. So I have like 3 that she sent over. What is going on in here? She sent over 3 liquid blushes. I think these are her new like liquid blushes. All right, so next up, it's a body serum from this brand called Uni. Have you guys heard of this brand before? I have not, and I'm so excited to try this. The smell is very, oh my gosh, so clean, but like it just gives off summer. I like this. So it's a 24-hour body serum. By the way, this is how it looks. I mean, they filled that thing up all the way to the rim. Okay, so next package is from Milani. Okay, Milani. Let's see what they have. Milani Cosmetics. Okay, y'all, funny story. I just went to Ulta not that long ago and actually got this. I didn't know they were gonna send it to me through PR, but I didn't get my shade. I just got the darkest one because I wanted to use it as a contour. They just came out with Blur Out Skin Tint Foundation Sticks. Yeah, I really want to try these out. I really do. I might, yeah, they usually have my shade. This actually might be my shade. I might be between shade 19 Deep or 19 Deep or 18 Deep. I'm actually 19 Deep because we're getting a little too light. Next up, package is from Josie Maran. They sent over their refill and then their travel size. One thing I love about this brand is the fact that they have a refill and a travel size. Okay, what is the scent? This is amber. Oh, amber and white musk. Makes a lot of sense. I was like, why I feel like I smell musk in here? Oh yeah, this is nice. But girl, that is it for my PR. Thanks for watching.